Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix no GPS signal lost in Realme Narzo 80 Lite. So before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on system and update, and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, then go back and click on battery, and then click on power saving settings. After clicking on power saving settings, then scroll down and here you can see the option screen battery optimization. Now click on it. Now here you can turn off your screen battery optimization. After that, go back and again click on system and update, and then click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone. In last you can see the option erase all data. It means factory data reset. Now click on it. Now enter your password to erase all your data. It will destroy all the data in your device like photos, videos, document, apps, all the data remove in your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.